We got a max strap.
Yeah, this can be
If we put some nails in that, it'll work really well.
Well, would you look at that? That's the beach. I'm on it again. Stoked to be here. It's the weekend. It happens to be Mac's birthday, so you know, we're up here having a bit of a camp out. Very lucky, guys. We're very lucky we're in Queensland, and I know a lot of you poor people down in lockdown, but hang in there. So yeah, anyway, I'm not entirely sure what we're doing here. I think we're mainly just surfing this trip, so yeah. Why not make a little vlog, a little DI vlog? Haven't been up here in a little while. I mean, everyone's telling me it's been very busy lately. I mean, that's unheard of, don't you think? You know what? Everyone's already on the other side. That's the issue. I'm late. Boys, I'm going to assume are right at the point. It's a very low tide. Excellent.
What we got in here? Oh, is that a fridge?
It is.
Has that got cold beers in it?
It's about 80 litres of gold.
Oh. Did Red Arc power that?
Who else would power it?
I don't know, what's TJ got?
Oh, you won't. Come over with it. What are you powered by at the moment?
It's got Bluetooth power, this one.
Yeah, where's the outlet?
It's Bluetooth. There's no outlet, you can't see it. It's Bluetooth.
Oh, what keeps it cold?
Hopes and dreams.
Mate, Tyler, you need to sort that out, mate.
Yeah.
It doesn't stick to fridges.
Nah, sticks to an adapter. Oh.
Oh my god.
Not the best weather, is it? We're gonna go set up camp because it's shit house. Alright, night one camping. Max called it! Right here!
Yeah,
right here!
This was the first spot he picked.
Yeah, first spot I picked. I did drive like 10 other spots, so.
And we have stayed right here before.
Yeah, no.
I love this spot. How good's this spot? It's just all like open and sandy. Well, it's kind of fixed.
Yeah, it looks it.
Skyrat is back in service.
Can I put a tail on him? I'll find a tail. I'll find a boat better.
Okay, I've crashed Skyrat, the drone, but it's kind of fixed. Sometimes the gimbal, it sort of goes on an angle. See how close you get to his eyeballs.
Remember when you held it on my leg and you're like, I was skating and you're like, ah, and I was just going.
That was the big one.
No, I've still got the scar.
Yeah, that was the big one. These blades are sharper.
Get away from me, you mosquito.
You're a menace.
Hello. Yeah, land it.
Oh, you're gonna cut yourself.
Land
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Land it on your tongue.
Oh, I need to stop playing with this before I hurt someone.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Or myself. He's lost a plot, this guy. Oh shit. Doesn't want to come We got a max strap.
Yeah, this can be
If we put some nails in that, it'll work really well.
Oh no,
I only rescue people in need. If he happens to be in need after this, I'll rescue him.
You're having a dig at Hilux owners.
Oh, dad joke.
You're joking. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this fancy pants. Leather. You definitely deserve to get bombed.
Yeah, heated seats.
Oh, 1 degree. Nice, keeping everything nice and cold in there. TJ, what's your fridge temp set to?
I should check.
Yeah, give us a look.
1 degree. What's it meant to have 12.8 volts? Yeah, she's on.
Oh, it's on.
Can you check my fridge out while you're there?
Yeah, what's your fridge up to? What's it set to?
There's your problem. You forgot to turn it on. This is a shot here, Mokka. Shed light at the sunset. What's the purpose?
We're gonna sit in it and be friends.
Oh.
Sit in it and be friends. Play cards, drink beers, hang out.
Got more bad ideas. Axe throwing competition is...
Greatest idea ever.
Yeah, if you hold the timber, it should be right for us.
Ben,
All right, Scotty, throw it. Throw it! Go, Scotty!
got a mating call. We've got a bit of a front, a bit of a cell coming through from the east. We're in for it. It's coming in hot. It's coming in hot! Holy shit!
Looks alright to me.
Oh no, I could be wrong.
Do you like every other news, weather broadcaster?
No. 40% of the time, I'm always right.
Alright, it's day 2, as you can see, it's been raining. Had a disaster last night. Didn't peg down the rooftop. Blew open, started raining on us. Oh well. It's all packed up now. Plan today, it's rainy.
Oh, past the shower, mate. Cells coming back. Cell front. See the cell front? Watching it all morning from the bed.
Come in, mate! Found Paddy. There you go, mate. Yeah, it's a much nicer spot.
Yeah, way better.
Sammy boys arrived.
You're all on the beers a bit early.
I don't think there is such a thing.
Storm front coming through, Jamin. Lovely, great.
It looks fine. Bit of a cell.
Oh, and an excellent load rating on a Prado.
Holy shit, that roof is loaded.
See, Mokka, when he tied that on, he flicked it, said it's not going nowhere. And that's all we got to do.
He was 100% right. Like, it has magic powers, that saying. I'm telling you.
We're running just a tray back now, mate.
Yeah, and the one time I don't bring my canopy, my chair gets wet.
Yeah.
And my swag, and everything.
You see me shredding it up, Mokka? Shredding the nut.
I've seen ya. It's 20-second wave.
I'm just going to do a little walk.
Why did you put sunscreen on in the barrel that long, eh?
I know, right? Jamin's been trying to cook lunch. I'm like, nah, we're going to the pub. We're going to try a rainbow pub trip. Hopefully we can get through the low tide. Oh, Jamin, you hungry? Quite the meal, mate.
Oh yeah, liquid meal.
Camping. Started smoking in the car. It's the usual Sam overheating issue. Bloody Sam always stopping the convoy.
Oh, I'm sick of this thing. It's so hot.
It was going pretty fast for a ski on the back.
Yeah, he's trying to get the air
It
in.
was pretty quick. It was fun to watch.
I missed it on camera because I didn't know it was going to happen, but a Mazda just did a bloody full jump, nearly flipped. Has anyone checked if my fridge is still on? Oh, you forgot to plug it in.
There's a fifth light hanging around, isn't there?